Our lesson today, we have universe. The meaning of universe. What's meant by universe? Okay? Universe, it means the frame that we live inside. Okay? What's meant by frame? It's a border. Okay? Border, it means what? It means this one. Or if I have a thing like this, this is a ball of space. Okay? This space, it contains what? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Yes, Marwan. Galaxies. Okay? Yes, sit down, thank you. Okay, we have the galaxy. If I have this border, this universe, okay? The meaning of universe. I have a gaseous ball, a space ball, okay? That found here, okay? And we have one of them, or the building unit of our universe, or the biggest unit in our universe. This is called what? This is called galaxy. Okay? So we have here, this one is galaxy. Okay? So the galaxy here, what is the shape of galaxy? Okay? This one, it is like what? Oval shape. It's oval shape. And it has spiral arm like this. Okay? So this one, we have what? We have a spiral arm like this. Okay? This is a spiral. It takes what? It takes the shape of a spiral or curved arm. Okay? How many arms here? Okay? Four. Okay? One of them, or one of these arms, or the shape of galaxy, it is like this. If I take the galaxy and the shape of galaxy to make what? To make illustration. Okay? This one is like this. Here. This is what? This is the shape of galaxy. It is an oval shape. And it has many, many dots. Okay? Like this. Okay? Here and here. Each point represents what? Represent one star. Okay? How many stars we have? Okay. Millions of stars or billions of stars. For information, we have the number, okay, of these galaxies, the number of stars inside this galaxy. It's what? It's about, okay, actually, okay, it's about 13.4 billion stars. Okay, in one galaxy. Okay, the smallest galaxy. Okay, we have the number more than this. It's about what? About 20 million. Okay, 100 million. Okay, or 100,000 million. Okay, it's like the 100 billion galaxies. Okay, understood? Okay, easy. Okay, so the number of these stars. So one point here, it's what? It's one star. So the galaxy is very, very large. Okay, inside this galaxy we have the center of galaxy. It's a collection of the stars. It appears to us as what? As luminous shape. It's very shiny. Why? Why we have the part or the central part of galaxy? It's very shiny. Okay? Why? Because this one, it contains what? Contains large number of stars inside the center of galaxy. So it appears to us very, very shiny. Is it? Okay? Any question? Any question? If you need a question, and ask. Okay? And about anything. Okay? So we have this one. We have this point. It's what? It is that star. Okay? What is the star here? Star, it means what here? It means this is the position of our star. What's our star? What is the name of our star? The nearest star for us is the sun. Okay? So the sun, okay, it's found here in this position, okay, beside what? Beside the whole solar system. Okay? What is the solar system? Who can tell me? This solar system contains what?
The sun and the 8 planets revolving around it.
Okay, thank you. It contains just the planets. We have comets. We have star. Okay, this one star. Okay, and we have the star, the main star in our solar system is what? Is the sun. Okay, and we have 8 planets revolve around the sun. Okay, and we have another thing. We have comets. We have meteors. We have meteorites. Okay, right, excellent. Okay, and we have another thing. We have moons. Okay, how many moons in our Earth? One or near from Earth? One. Okay, we have another numbers of moon in another planets. Okay, we'll talk about it after a period of time. Okay, so here we have the position of what? Of the solar system. Okay, so the solar system is found here. Okay, this one is solar system. Solar system position. okay, position of the solar system. Okay, it means what? It means this is the sun. Okay, so the sun is found here. It is one point, one small point, okay, of our galaxy. Again, last time we have the galaxy. It's formed of what? Formed of 13.4 million or billions of stars. Okay, these stars is found in our galaxy. Okay, and one of each stars, okay, it's called the sun. Okay, so the sun. What is the size of sun? From the last information. This is medium, right? Okay, medium size. So we have how many types of the stars? How many sizes? Yes. Okay, three. What are they? Small, medium, and large. And we have another one that called X large. Okay, or it's like our clothes. Okay, like the clothes size. Okay, medium. Sit down. Thank you. Okay, small. We have medium. We have large, and we have red giant or huge star. Okay, and we have this one. This is the sun here in the solar system. It's what? It is medium-sized star. The sun is medium-sized star. Okay, so the medium-sized star here, this is the first one. Okay, and this medium-sized star is formed of what? Formed of which material? Gas or solid or liquid? Gas. Okay. What are the gases? Yes, Ahmed. This is helium and hydrogen. Right. Okay. It is formed. Okay. Of what? It's formed of helium. Okay. And hydrogen. Okay. So they are the two gases. What is the ratio between them? Okay. Hydrogen equal about what? About 75% of the material inside the sun. Again, we have 75% of hydrogen that found in any star, okay, especially in the sun. Okay. After that, we have helium is about what? 25, right? Okay, we have 25%, okay, that found in our sun. Easy, okay. And after this one, okay, this is the sun, okay, and we have 4 types of stars, okay. The smallest one is called, for information, we have dwarf star. Dwarf, it means infinitesimal, okay? And the smallest one, okay? And the second one is medium, like our sun, okay? And what is the definition of sun again for last time? We have the sun. It is the medium-sized star that formed of helium and hydrogen, or burning gases, okay? These burning gases give us what? Yes, heat energy and light energy. Okay, so we have nuclear reaction inside the sun, like any star. Okay, that gives us what? Gives us light and heat. If I see the stars in the sky at night, okay, how many kilometers between 2 stars beside each other? The nearest 2 stars. If you see the sky at night, and this is the star, and we have another star. This is beside each other. What is the distance between them? Okay, so this is called what? This is called light year. Okay, this is the number in mass. Okay, we have the math. Okay, we have this number. It is like this: 9, 4, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3 kilometers. Okay, this is the number. Okay, who can read this number? It's a very big one. Okay, yes. No. This number. Yes, try to read. Yes, it is billion. Okay, 9,467. Yes.
9 million.
No. 9,467 billion. Okay, so these billions in here, it means what? It means 1,000 billion. 1,000 million. Okay, it's called 1 billion. Okay, so this number in math. Okay, so here we have another one. We have here, this is the standard formula. Okay, yes, it's what?
9.467 times 10 or 20.
Thank you very much. Okay, this is power of 12. Power of 12 what? Kilometers. Okay, this is kilometers. Yes. Okay. This is
Power 12 or power 6?
no. Power 12. What? Because yes. Because we have what we have here, this is what is in that 3 or 3, 6, and 9 zeros. Okay, we hit the math right. Okay, we have 9 zeros here. Okay, these 9 zeros is the other count here. 8, 9, 4, 6, 7, like this one. So here we have 9. Okay, but if I put here the dot or decimal point, okay, here we have what we have. This is 12. Okay, this is for math. Okay, ماشي مالهاش دعوة بالساينس. Okay, after that, this is called what? This is called light here. Okay, light here. What's meant by light here? You can tell me that. Yes, see.
It is a distance between that's two stars.
Yes.
In one
The measuring is the distance between two stars. What is the definition? Yes, Mahmoud. Sit down, thank you.
That's covered by light in 1 year.
Excellent, thank you. Okay, we have the light that can move in the outer space. Okay, for 1 year. If I am the light. Okay, for example. Okay, and I move in the outer space for 1 year. This is what is the distance that covered by me as a light. Okay, so if I have the light. Okay, any type of light of lamp, light of sun, light of stars, light anything. Okay. Here we have the light here. It is the distance covered, okay, covered by light, okay, in 1 year, okay, in 1 year. It takes this one, okay, it takes this distance. This is the smallest distance between two stars, okay. Actually, okay, in our space, we have no distance like this. It's more than this. Okay? Actually, already we have what? We have more than this. Okay? Information. We have the star. We have another planet that discovered. Okay? From the past. Okay? This planet is similar to what? Similar to the Earth. Okay? As NASA said. Okay? But we have what? We have the distance between these planets and our planets about 44 light years. Okay? The distance between two stars, for example, okay, it's more than this, about what? 1,000, 10. Okay? We have no one light year between two stars. Okay? This is the distance, the real distance between. Okay? Again, we have the light year. It's the distance covered by what? By light year. By light in 1 year, okay? It moves in the space in 1 year, okay? Takes this distance like this. It's what? 9.467 times 10 power of 12 kilometers. Easy, okay? Anything else? And we have the light. We have the stars also, okay? We have this star. We have many shapes of galaxy. Okay, this galaxy, or our galaxy, called what? Called, yes, Milky Way galaxy. Okay, why it takes this name? Takes this Milky Way. Why? Because it's like what?
It's like the
split milk. Thank you very much. Okay, and it is not correct here. Okay, we have what? We have. If I have some amount, give me. Okay, this one. Okay, if I have some amount of water like this, okay, so this amount of water, if I open this flask, okay, and put or split some amount of water, what is the shape? We have the shape, okay. Why? Because here this is the liquid. It takes the shape of its place or its container, okay. So it takes a different shape, okay. It's like what? It is like the mug of Nescafe or the mug of cappuccino, okay. Takes this shape, okay? It is like this, okay? Like this is this shape. It takes what it takes. This is a spiral shape like this, okay? This is the galaxy, okay? The shape of the surface of coffee mug or cappuccino or Nescafe, anything like this. The surface, okay? So it takes a different shape. We have many shapes of galaxies, okay? Like this, okay? So we have what? We have this one like one arm. And we have another one like the sphere shape, and it has one arm also like this, okay? Information. We have the nearest one. This, I have this one is Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way, okay? Galaxy. we have another space or another galaxy near from each other, okay? Or the nearest galaxy from each other. It's called what? حد يعرف؟ كم عمود؟ مش الامتحان ولا حاجة. لا. Galaxy cluster, it means that shining part inside the center of the galaxy, or a group of galaxies beside each other. Okay, so we have this is that. It's called Andromeda. Okay, it takes this shape like this. هي شبه دي كده. Okay, this is Andromeda. Okay, دي مش الامتحان ولا حاجة. تمام، ده بس معلومة. Okay, so after that, so we have the galaxies in our universe. Okay, after the galaxy, we have inside the galaxy we have the sun. Okay, and around the sun we have what? We have 8 planets like this. Okay,
Solar system.
so this is the solar system. Okay, solar system here. Okay, it has how many planets? We have 8 planets like this. Okay, it rotates. Okay, like this. It's around what? Around the sun. Okay, now let's just reduce. So here we have what we have. This is the 8 planets that rotate around the sun. Each one, okay, that rotates around the sun in its own orbit. Okay, its own orbit. It means what? It means we have this one, okay, or this planet cannot. It is impossible to crash, okay, with another one. Okay, why? Because each one of them it has its own orbit. Okay, what's meant by orbit? It means what it means. The distance from the sun. Is it? Okay, we have each one. It has a different distance or a different number of kilometers. Okay, from the sun. Example. Okay, we have the Earth. Okay, Earth it has a distance from the sun equal. How many kilometers? It's about this. The distance from the sun. Okay, for example. And we have Earth here, okay? The distance here between them, okay? It's 100, about this, 150 million kilometers. It's what the different distance between these two, the planet and the star, okay? Like what? Like a different distance between 2 galaxies or 2 stars inside our galaxy, okay? Who can tell me? What are the names of these planets? Yes. For example, for the first one, yes. Mercury, number 1, yes. Mars, it's arrangement, okay. Mercury, second one, Venus. Number 3, Earth, okay. Our planet Earth is number 3, okay. Not Mars, okay. No, some of Mars, okay. Yes, Mars number 4, okay. Number 5. Jupiter, right, okay? And we have number 6, Saturn, like this, okay? Saturn, it takes the shape of this one. It has rings, okay, around this planet, okay? These rings, it's about what? It is not ring, it is not this, okay? But it's what? It is small rocks, right, okay? And icy, right? It's called what? It is like what? That's the question. Do you notice that? Belt? Yes, it is like the belt, okay? It's like asteroids. Asteroid, it means small rocks that found between what? Between Jupiter, okay? Between Jupiter here, the biggest one, okay? And the Mars, okay? We have Mars and Jupiter. This is the 4th one, Mars, and we have 51 Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter, okay? Like this, okay? We have these two planets, okay? We have here between them, we have what? We have some rocks that rotate around the sun in oval orbit that are called asteroid belts. Okay? So the solar system, it is not the 8 planets and the sun only. Okay? But we have many things. What are they? What are they? You can tell me. Planets, sun, and comets, and meteors, meteorites, and no, we have 1 star. In solar system we have 1 star. Okay? It's living organism inside our planet Earth, right? Excellent. Okay, and what else? Moons. We have moons, right? For information also. How many moons in our Earth or near from Earth? One. Okay. And how many moons for Mars? 2. Right. Excellent. Okay. And how many moons? Okay, that found in Mercury and Venus? Nothing. 0. It is 0. Okay. So we have no 2 planets. They have no moons. Okay. Mercury and Venus, the second, okay? and the biggest one is what? Biggest planet is Jupiter, okay? So the Jupiter contains how many planets? Sorry, how many?
64.
62. 62 moons, just 62 moons on what? On the Jupiter, okay? So, okay, we have this Jupiter. If I stand up like this on the Jupiter, okay? Or I stand on the surface of Jupiter, okay? And try to count the number of moons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 62, okay? 62 moons, okay? In the sky, from what? From the surface of Jupiter, okay? Easy. 9 10, okay? Yes.
ممكن two planets يحصلون الأرض.
هو near from each other. near انما crushing لا. مفيش حاجه اسمها كده. ليه؟ Because the distance from each planet from the sun, okay, it's the difference, okay, or different distance doesn't change, okay. I have some information, okay, about the moon. The moon, it's moved away from the orbit of the Earth, okay. Every 100 years, 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter. It's very small. Okay, it's moved away and near from the Earth. Okay, so we have the Earth, for example, okay, or any planet that near from the sun and move away from the sun because we have the planet. It makes rotation like this, makes rotation in an oval shape. Okay, so in some cases near from the sun and far from the sun. Okay, ماشي بس ما فيش اثنين يعملوا crushing. Okay, easy. Something? No. Anything else? After that, we have the theories, okay, that said that, okay, how did this solar system originate, okay, how the solar system is originated, it means it's formed, yes, the solar system and universe, okay, so the universe, we have a theory, okay, by Steve Hawking, زي ما شفنا قبل كده في الفيديو, yes. That's what's by Big Bang, yes. Let's go out.
It's a massive explosion.
A massive explosion, yes. That form the universe, okay? Excellent, okay? معلومة, okay? We have what? We have the explosive material, okay? This explosive material, massive explosion, okay? That form what? Form the universe. Okay, universe as it is. Okay, so the universe, it was what? It was very small point that found in nothing. Okay, it's
high pressure.
Yes, thank you. Okay, very very high temperature. Example. Okay, it contains what? 100,000 billion degrees. This point. Okay, it's found like this. I have this nothing. Okay, we have nothing here. Okay. And in some cases, we have this point that appears like this. The small points, very small point. This is the Big Bang theory, okay? The Big Bang, okay? Theory, okay? So the Big Bang theory means what it means here. We have this one. It's a point, small point, okay? That appears in the sky, okay? We have no sky. In the ancient time, we have no sky. We have nothing. Okay? We have no matter, we have no time, we have no solar system, we have no material, we have nothing. Okay? And here, we have this one, it appears or make explosion like this. Okay? This is what this is explosion here. Okay? This explosion, okay? It's the Big Bang. Yes? Why? Because it has large temperature. Okay? Very large amount of heat energy that concentrated in this point. Okay? And it makes explosion. Okay? What's meant by explosion? If you have a small bomb العيد, okay? ماشي وفرقعتها, ايه اللي هيحصل؟ Smokes. Okay? This is smokes. It moves what? It moves very very slowly. Okay? And this one, we have some material that produced. Okay? Like what? في حاجات بتطلع منها بعد ما تفرقع. Light. Okay? Yes. Heat. Okay? Heat energy. Light energy. And we have some materials that move out. Okay? بالظبط granules, very small granules. Okay? So this material, it's formed by what? Formed by this Big Bang. Okay? So the Big Bang here, it produces many things. Okay? Or two things. Okay, we have gases and the other one. These gases, they are what?
Helium and
Helium, right? Helium and hydrogen. We have helium and hydrogen. So the helium and the hydrogen, this is the basic material that found in our universe. Okay, helium and the hydrogen. It's the main formation or main material in the stars. Okay, we have all stars form of these two materials. Okay, helium and hydrogen. And after that we have the second one, heat energy. Heat. And we have light, for example, and here these gases. This is the material and this is energy. Okay, that produced from small point. Okay, after some time. Okay, this after the Big Bang or after Big Bang, after 1 billion years from the Big Bang, what will happen? Okay, we have what? We have this one. Okay, or this Big Bang. The temperature decreases. Okay, very large. Okay, or it cooled. Okay, it's cooled. Okay, to make what? To make decreasing of the motion of this material. Okay, it's about cooling. Okay, it loses its heat energy. Okay, after 1 billion. Okay, 1 billion years, we have the material of galaxies try to start to make it. Okay, and after some time, okay, from the Big Bang, after cooling of this explosion that happened, okay, so here this one, the material of galaxies start to make, okay, start to be made, okay, and after that, inside galaxy, okay, we have what? We have the cooling again and the condensation again, okay, for what? For the materials, okay, forming the stars. Okay, easy. After that, between the galaxies, we have what? We have here, we have many shapes like this. Okay, we have nebula. Okay, nebula, it means what? Who can tell me the definition? Yes, definition of nebula. What's meant by nebula? Okay, yes, nebula, it means what? It means a sphere shape of gas. Okay, gas is a sphere shape. It takes the shape like the planets. Okay, it's like the sphere. Okay, and it moves, and it has many shapes like this, and it has many colors. Okay, in our space or our outer space. Okay, so here this is nebula. Okay, the meaning of nebula. Nebula, it means what? Nebula. Nebula means it is the gases. Gas is a sphere. Okay, gas is a sphere. This gas is a sphere. Okay, contains or formed of helium, hydrogen, okay, and some vapors okay, that rotate around itself. Okay, so after that, what will happen for this nebula? Okay, it cooled and condensed. Try to make the planets, try to make solar system, okay, and the theories. Easy. Okay, use it. So, okay, we have what? We have, this is the nebula, okay, the meaning of nebula and the meaning of universe, okay. After that, we have three theories, okay, that illustrate the formation of solar system, just solar system. Okay, the first one. Okay, here we have the first one. Is called what is called, okay, nebular theory. Okay, this nebular theory related to nebula here. Okay, this nebular theory, it's what it is like this. Okay, it's stated by Laplace. Laplace, he was a scientist. Okay. So we have the nebular theory. Okay, first theory we have nebula. Okay, nebular theory. Okay, nebular theory exposed by what? By Laplace. Okay, this is Laplace. Okay, Laplace here in 19. Sorry. Okay, in 1796. Okay, 1796. It was an ancient. Okay, it's very old theory. Okay, it's about what? Our scientists. Okay, try or think about it. Okay, because they have very little amount of information. Okay, don't can science are. Okay, but they have no material. Okay, except telescope. Okay, in the ancient time we have Galileo telescope. It's like the عامل زي النظام العادي بتاعنا. Okay, بس بنبص فيه كده وخلاص. Okay, so here this is nebular theory stated. We have the nebula. Okay, already we know. Okay, we have the nebula here between galaxies. This is what nebula. Okay, and this nebula, it was what? It was gaseous sphere. Okay, this gaseous sphere is like this. Okay, we have a sphere of gas. Okay, this is called nebula. And after some time, this nebula or nebular sphere, it's what? Condense itself, press itself. Okay, it rotates around itself like this. Okay, so the nebula rotates around its axis or around itself, and after some time change into flat rotating disk. Okay, it's like the CD. It's like this. Okay, and we have here this is flat rotating disk. Okay, this flat rotating disk, it means it moves around itself also. Okay, around itself, around its axis. Okay, so after some time we have two words. Okay, with us. Okay, in all parts of theories, cooling and condensation. كلمتين دول على طول معانا. Because we have the formation of the solar system in this shape, we have two things: cooling and condensation of the material. Cooling and condensation of our material. Okay, so here we have the flat rotating disk. It's like this. Okay, and after some time, cooling and condensation forming what? Forming a shape like this. Okay, we have here. This one is like the flat disk like this, and in some cases we have what? We have this part. We have another part like this, and we have another part here like this. Okay, to make what? To make motion or to make the shape of our planets. Okay. Now, where is the sun? We have the solar system, it is the sun in the center, okay, and the 8 planets rotate around it, okay? Where is the sun? The sun is formed from what? From the remains, okay? Remains of the material, okay, that concentrated in the center here, okay? Again, last time, we have here, this is a nebula. It's a gaseous sphere. Okay, that contains vapors, that contains gases, that contains many things like the gaseous state. Okay, rotates around itself. Easy? Okay, this is the first thing. And after that, we have flat rotating disk. Flat rotating disk, it means, okay, it's changing into disk by compression. Okay, يحصل لها compression. Okay, from these two pools. Okay, by the motion. Okay, or by the force, or by attraction force. So here, this one is flat rotating disk. After that, change into what change? This one. We have condensation and cooling of the materials inside. Where? This form what form? This is the material of plant. Material of a planet. Okay? And we have material of another planet. And we have another material of the planet. So here we have, this is the center. Okay? This center is what? Remains of material or gases. Okay? Material or gases in, it's called the sun. Okay? So the sun in here, in this theory, it's what? It's formed by remains of the sun, remains of gases in this nebula. Okay? Okay,